Hey there, global leaders of the future. Welcome to today's exciting video where we're diving deep into the world of global leadership development. Hello and welcome to our channel Cloud and Leadership. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get the upcoming informative video notification. Montage of global cities and leaders in action. In our fast-paced, interconnected world, global leadership is not just an option, it's a necessity. In this video, we'll explore why global leadership development is crucial, share strategies to nurture the leaders of tomorrow, and dive into some inspiring case studies. So, if you're ready to unlock your potential as a global leader or want to understand why it matters, stick around. Understanding global leadership. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding what global leadership is all about. Global leaders are more than just your average CEOs, they're visionaries with the skills to thrive in diverse cultures, economies, and political landscapes. They're equipped with cross-cultural communication prowess, adaptability, and a deep understanding of global trends and issues. They're ethical and socially responsible because their decisions impact communities worldwide. The need for global leadership development. Now, why is global leadership development so darn important? Well, hold on to your seats. Graphics highlighting global challenges. Firstly, our world faces global challenges like climate change, pandemics, and economic inequality. We need leaders who can tackle these head-on. Diverse team working together. Secondly, it's about diversity and inclusion. Global leadership development ensures leaders from diverse backgrounds and perspectives are nurtured. This is how we create a better, more inclusive world. Global corporation logos. Lastly, organizations perform better when their leaders can manage international teams and operations successfully. It's a win-win. Strategies for global leadership development. Ready for the juicy stuff? Let's talk about strategies for global leadership development that you can start implementing right away. Training session with a diverse group. First up, cultural competency training. Dive into different cultures, customs, and norms. Trust us, it'll help you build trust and rapport with international counterparts. International project collaboration. Second, cross-border collaboration. Get hands-on experience working on international projects. It'll boost your adaptability and problem-solving skills. Mentor and mentee shaking hands. Third, mentorship and coaching. Find yourself a mentor who has been there, done that. They'll guide you through the ups and downs of global leadership. Reading a leadership book. Never stop learning. Continuous learning is key. Stay updated on global trends, emerging technologies, and leadership theories. Case studies. Time to get inspired. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of organizations rocking global leadership development. Montage of Coca-Cola and UN initiatives. Coca-Cola, the beverage giant, invests heavily in leadership programs that emphasize empathy, cultural understanding, and ethical decision-making. They're all about diversity and inclusion. UN Leaders in Action. The United Nations offers a leadership development program, exposing leaders to international diplomacy, cross-cultural communication, and conflict resolution. Talk about making a global impact. Measuring success. Okay, folks, how do we measure the success of global leadership development? Metrics and surveys. Look at improved team performance, increased diversity in leadership roles, and the ability to tackle global challenges. Plus, feedback from participants provides valuable insights. Conclusion. And there you have it, global leaders. Montage of global scenes. In a world where challenges know no borders, global leadership development isn't just a choice, it's our compass toward a sustainable and inclusive future. So, whether you're an emerging leader or simply passionate about creating positive change on a global scale, remember this, global leadership development is your ticket to making a difference. Start today, and together, we'll shape a better tomorrow. Hope you liked the video content and found it informative. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the upcoming informative video notification. Thanks for watching.